Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add PDF in WooCommerce products. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to make sure that you are in your WordPress admin panel. After that, all you need to do is to simply go to your product pages. So here we can go to WooCommerce, products, and go to the all products. And here we will find the product list. And simply all you need to do is to create your own product or edit any other products. So basically after that, you will be able to start adding media. So by adding a media to your product, you will need just to go and click on add media. You go to upload files, select files, and then you select the PDF file that you would like. After that, you will need just to click on insert into product and you will have the PDF that will be added to the product. And now all remains to do is to have it to be visible into your product page. And for that, you will need to use you might use many ways. For example, you can add some plugins that would allow you to create mini tabs for your products, and simply you can go to search for extensions in WooCommerce, and you can have, for example, the tabs, and you will have the product tabs, for example, extension that would allow you to create custom products tabs, and then you can have your media that is displayed in one of the tabs, etc. Or you can use also the WooCommerce products options that would allow you to add the PDF as an option so they can see the catalog or whatever was the PDF about. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.